Hey, what's up everybody? Matt Bolin here. Hope you guys are all doing well today. I got a good one for you. This is my review video for Consultant Funnel Social Media Marketing. Okay, so this is Consultant Funnel Social Media Marketing, and I'm going to give you a good overview here really of not just the main offer and what you'll see with that, but I'm also going to give you an overview of the optional upgrade offers that you're going to see and the pricing with those, and also give you a walkthrough of the members area and really what you'll see on the other side of the purchase as well. So for those of you guys that have seen some of my videos in the past and been on my email list for a while, you may have seen some other consultant funnels similar to this just for different services. So this one here in particular is for social media marketing, and these are created and released by Drew Laughlin. Drew's done a bunch of these funnels really now. He's done video marketing, Facebook ads, reputation management, SEO, email, website design. He's done funnels for almost every service. He hasn't gotten to social media marketing yet, but now he has. So this is being released tomorrow. I'm recording this video on a Monday, but it's being released tomorrow, Tuesday, March 20th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And the launch phase here will be for 4 days, so it'll be available through Friday, March 23rd at midnight Eastern Time. And the pricing for the main offer is going to start at $15, and it's going to go up to $17. It's going to be on a dime sale, so every time a sale is made, the price will go up slightly. But during that 4-day launch period, the price will vary between $15 and $17. So whether you get it for $15 or $17, still going to save you a ton of time and money as opposed to having this stuff created ourselves. This is a great package, really. These are the funnels that I use for my services. I don't use all of them that Drew's done. Like I don't offer Instagram services. I'm not really big on that. So anyway, this one here is for social media marketing. I know a lot of local businesses that this is a big hole with their marketing. A lot of business owners don't even want to touch social media. They don't even know what to do. And some of them makes their head spin. But in any event, this is a complete front-end lead generation funnel that we can use, local marketing consultants can use to generate leads for our social media marketing services, okay? Now, Drew does an awesome job. Again, those of you guys that have seen Drew's funnels in the past, the quality is amazing. You're going to be proud to have this represent your business. And you can see just a little bit about Drew. For those of you guys that may be unfamiliar, he's been doing this for a long time. Some of his products were the first ones that I bought years and years ago when I started doing this. He's won 17 Deal of the Day awards on Warrior Plus. He's done over 20,000 sales, and this is just one merchant account of Drew's as well. He does business off of Warrior Plus in addition to that as well. So you guys can take a scroll through here. This is the sales page that I'm scrolling through. If you click the link down below this video, this is what you'll see, the sales page here. So the first module here is the actual lead generation site. It comes in WordPress format, HTML5, optimized press, and ClickFunnels. I'll show you here an example, a demo, and I'll point this out in a second. But anyway, nice clean site. Has the video here. I'll show you the videos in a second. But the opt-in box, just nice, clean, easy layout. Not only the main site here, but also the thank you page. Cool thing that Drew points out about his thank you pages, if you've never seen it, is the step 2. So on a traditional thank you page, you might just have the download option for somebody, but this here for somebody to call instantly for a no obligation consultation is pretty cool. And when I first saw it, it was from one of Drew's pages. I said, yeah, that is pretty cool, and I've now implemented that on all of my thank you pages. So those are the demos. You guys can check these out here. There's a couple of links on the sales page to check out those demos for yourself. Now, I just want to point out real quick, for those of you guys that have purchased Drew's other funnels in the past, you might have noticed that the ClickFunnels design that he had was a little bit different from the WordPress and the HTML5 designs that he had. Now they all match. So again, if you're new to Drew's stuff, that really kind of isn't relevant to you. But in the past, what I've thought is that maybe the WordPress version didn't look as sharp really as the ClickFunnels version, but now they all match. Okay, so he's had those all converted into the same look there, which is pretty cool. The second module that you're going to see here are the videos that I pointed it out to you on the other page here, but these come in US and UK voiceovers, and they're two different styles. Same script, but two different styles of video. There's the whiteboard or the hand-drawn version, and then there's the Powtoon version. So I will show you guys here I'll show you both, demos. I'm not gonna play the whole thing, but I'll just kind of play a clip for you. You can check out this one here. This is the USA whiteboard version.
Did you know 88% of businesses are using some kind of social media marketing to help grow their business? And those that do have a huge advantage over their competition. But you may have concerns and questions you want answered, and we want to help.
All right, so again, I'm not going to go ahead and play the whole thing there for you. What I'm going to do is I'll pick it up at the 15-second mark. Again, because it's the same script, I'm now going to go over to the UK version. And you heard that there. Voiceover is great. The script is awesome. Whiteboard, hand-drawn. It looks pretty sharp. I like this one here, the Powtoon. I'm, a little bit biased to animated video, but I'm going to pick this one up kind of at the 15-second mark so you can check out this style in the UK voiceover.
And questions you want answered, and we want to help by giving you a free report titled Social Media Marketing Secrets for the Local Business. This is a clearly written report that will help you understand how social media marketing works, the type of social media sites and networks that are best for your business, and everything else you need to know to make the best decision.
All right, so again, I'm not going to go ahead and play the whole video there, but you guys can check those out on the sales page here. So, $15 to $17. Like I said, I've just covered now 2 modules that would be worth more than that just themselves. So the site or the videos are going to be worth the price of this main offer in themselves, okay? The lead magnet report, this is what you give away on the opt-in page, and this is over 5,400 words. It's titled Social Media Marketing Secrets for the Local Business. It covers kind of what he just, illustrated there in the bullet points, but what social media marketing is all about, why it's critical. It covers a lot more there. You guys can take a look through if you want, but it's very well written, as are all of Drew's lead magnets. Again, you guys are going to be proud and confident to have this stuff represent your business. Also, to a lead magnet checklist, just some more content we could offer in addition to the lead magnet. And these next 2 modules are new. These are new additions to Drew's funnel designs. First one is a 10-minute walkthrough video. This is really cool. It'd be perfect for the thank you page, and that's where it's designed to be placed. It's a 10-minute walkthrough video. I'll show you a sample here, but it's really 5 reasons why every local business should use social media marketing. And now this is really just going to help enhance the value. Having the lead magnet report there available for a download is great, but really when you have that consultation offer there and the additional 10-minute video, most business owners will go ahead and sit there and watch this video, and it's really just going to help hammer home that value. I'm going to show you here the clip for this.
Hello, and welcome to our walkthrough video where we show you the 5 reasons every local business should use social media marketing to help grow their business. 1. Social media opens the doors of communication. It can be frustrating for any customer when they phone a business and no one answers their call. 2. Social media provides exposure to current customers and new prospects. Getting people to know about a business.
All right, so I'm not going to go ahead and play that whole video. You can go ahead and check that out yourself. It is 10 minutes long. It's awesome for the thank you page. This, again, kind of goes hand in hand with that. This 6 module, this is a lead magnet 1-pager is what he's calling it here. And it's just, kind of almost like an infographic, if you would, all around social media marketing, kind of covering exactly what that video was covering there. So module 7, the source files, you have PSD files for all of this content here. Of course, we have PLR rights, so we can go ahead and customize, edit, change that to our liking, and also a quick start guide. It's not necessarily a training course on how to fulfill services, but there are some resources and a lot of tips and tricks really on how to hit the ground running with all of this stuff. So obviously you can see here PLR rights, we can edit this, we can do everything we need to customize it, make it our own, claim that we created it. We just can't resell it to other consultants, okay? We can't resell this stuff, but we can use it in our own business, which is what it's intended to be used for. So again, this main offer here, this is going to be $15 to $17 if you pick it up during the 4-day launch phase, which again is going to be from Tuesday, March 20th through Friday, March 23rd. Now, you are going to see 2 optional upgrade offers if you go ahead and purchase this main offer. The first optional upgrade offer you're going to see is going to be for a marketing kit. This is going to be some additional materials that we can use to help really drive the traffic to the landing page. Okay, the first module going to be 4 more lead generation videos. Now, these lead generation videos have the same script as the videos that came with the front end offer, but they're in different styles. It's a different Powtoon style, and then it's a text only style. So I'll show you these here. Just play a quick example. Another Powtoon style in the USA voiceover version.
Did you know 88% of businesses are using some kind of social media marketing to help grow their business? And those that do have a huge advantage over their competition. But you may have concerns and questions you want answered.
Okay, and now I'll show you the UK voiceover in the text-only style.
Did you know? And we want to help by giving you a free report titled Social Media Marketing Secrets for the Local Business. This is a clearly written report that will help you understand how social media marketing works.
Okay, and you guys can check out those full videos if you would like to, but that's the first module with the optional upgrade offer that you'll see. It's going to be 4 more videos. Essentially, it's same script, just some different formats here in those different US and UK voiceovers. The second module is an autoresponder series, 5 parts. So this is going to be for people that opt in to receive the lead magnet report. This is now going to be 5 emails that we can send out, drip feed them out over, every day, maybe every other day. Just going to build additional value, really keep our name, our company front and center after they go ahead and receive the initial report. Third module is going to be an infographic that we can use. I'll go ahead and show you guys this here. Again, you can check it out yourself in more detail. This is a low-res version that you'll see here. Obviously, down the bottom here, Drew's left some space for us to personalize this. We could throw our logo in there, all the contact information there that we can go ahead and edit and customize for ourselves. The fourth module, going to be some postcards. These are really sharp. I really, really like the designs here. I'm going to show you those in a little bit more detail, but 3 different designs we received with these. I'll go ahead and show them to you here. This is the first one. These are really, really sharp. They look really good. This is the second one, and that's the third one there. So that's module 4. And now module 5 is going to receive some banner ads, 125 by 125, 300 by 250, and 728 by 90. You can use those on either our website or external websites linking over to our page. Some social media post images. These are optimized for Facebook and Instagram. They're 1200 by 630. You do receive them in PSD format. Can obviously go ahead and customize them, resize them if you want. For other social media channels, but they're perfect for Facebook and Instagram. Module 7, Facebook ads and copy. This is pretty cool. So Drew says here, running Facebook ads, one of the most effective ways to drive targeted traffic to our offers. And this is pretty much a done-for-you kit for Facebook ads. It's going to come with not only the images, also different snippets. It's 100 pre-written elements, different headlines, post text, description text. Cool thing about these, this is all broken down into hot, warm, and cold traffic. So we can kind of mix and match these, but really we can target exactly the type of lead that we're looking for here, whether they're hot, warm, or cold. This is really cool. This here saves a ton of time, ton of money. You'd pay a good amount to go ahead and have this done if it weren't included with this first upgrade offer. The 8th module is a resource cheat sheet, kind of like the front end there, tips, tricks, really how to hit the ground running, some things you can use and implement. This optional upgrade offer here for the marketing kit, this is going to be $27 during the launch period. Again, you receive the additional videos, the autoresponder, the infographic, the postcards, the banner ads, the social media post images, and then the Facebook marketing kit as well with the optional upgrade. That's the marketing kit. Now, the second optional upgrade offer you'll see is going to be for a print book or credibility book, as Drew calls them. This is it's designed to be, as you see here in the picture, like a real physical book that you hold in your hands. This isn't necessarily, although it comes in, 8.5 by 11 format, this is really designed to be printed and created as a 6 inch by 9 inch real book, physical book. And so this here, instead of, picture this, instead of handing somebody a business card, you literally hand somebody a book, and you've written the book on social media marketing secrets. And so this is totally different content than anything that was included with the front end offer. This is 25 things you need to know. And this is really, top 25 questions most business owners will think of or will have when it comes to social media marketing. And this book here really positions you as the expert, gives you instant credibility, builds confidence, establishes you as the authority in your marketplace, builds value in your brand, increases your conversions, helps get speaking gigs if that's really stuff that you want to look into and take advantage of. But this is kind of another level, really, and this here is going to be $47 during that launch phase, during the 4 days, again, from March 20th through March 23rd. It comes with not only the content, I'll show you that in a second, but the 6x9 book cover, the design. And like I said, it also comes in the ebook format if you want to offer it that way as well. And both of those come in PSD files, obviously. You can kind of take a look here, ton of content. You can take a closer look for yourself. But again, you can personalize and customize any of that as you want to. But this is over 6,200 words. It's a 46-page 6x9 book. Okay, so if it's printed in that 6x9 format, it's going to be 46 pages. So it's a pretty long book. And it also comes with a guide, a how-to course on how to publish on CreateSpace. So that's helpful too, really showing you how to go ahead and do that if that's something that you want to do. Again, you can offer it as a real print book, or you can offer it as an online report. Comes in both styles for you. So that there's going to be $47. That's the second optional upgrade offer that you'll see. I do also want to show you, and that's the last optional upgrade offer that you'll see. That's usually how Drew structures his funnel offers. And now this is the members area. If you go ahead and log into the members area, I'll just go ahead and log out just to show you. So once you purchase, you'll receive your login information. And if you just go ahead and log into the members area, you'll have access to the downloads. Inside here, you'll see, first off, go ahead and opt in for his customer-only updates. When he does update this content, that only goes out to his customer-only list. So make sure you opt in there. And then step 2, access your products. You'll see I have all of Drew's products here. Your members area may or may not look like this. Just depends on which products you've purchased. But consultant funnel, social media marketing. Here's the main offer, the marketing kit, and the credibility book. You come down here into the particular downloads, and it's a nice zip file, easy. Also, on every page, Drew has a link to his support desk. So if you need help there, he's definitely available for help as well. So if you have any questions whatsoever about this offer, definitely let me know. Again, it'll be available for 4 days, March 20th through March 23rd. Okay, March 23rd, midnight Eastern Standard Time is the cutoff. The main offer is an absolute steal. For $15, you're going to have a complete front-end lead generation funnel for social media marketing services. As I pointed out, not only the first component being the lead generation site is really worth the $17, but the videos. I mean, we all know videos. You guys that follow me, the value of video, $17 for these videos here. It's a great option. And the report itself, that could be worth $17 too. So great stuff there from Drew as usual. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Always glad to help you out. If you appreciate this review video, please give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. If you're not on my email list, there is a link down in the description box. I apologize, this video got a little bit long, but as usual, I really like to give you guys a complete look at what this is, what this stuff is all about. I think a lot of our industry sometimes is unnecessarily shrouded in mystery. You don't know what's behind the purchase. You don't know what the next offer is going to be. I saw an offer last week that had 6 OTOs. I was like, oh my God, I'd never even promote that. That's just ridiculous, to walk somebody through 6 different offers. But anyway, I like to give you guys an idea of really what you're getting into. And I hope you appreciate it. So again, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already. I appreciate you taking some time to check out this video, and I will catch up with you guys soon.